How does credit repair work? Inaccuracies. Credit repair is the process of fixing errors or improving a person's credit score. A good credit score is important as it can help a person get approved for loans, credit cards, and other financial products with favorable terms and interest rates. Credit repair works by addressing any errors or discrepancies on a person's credit report. A credit report is a record of a person's credit history and includes information such as their payment history, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. Credit repair starts with obtaining a copy of one's credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. A person should review their credit reports carefully and dispute any errors or inaccuracies with the credit bureaus. This can be done by submitting a dispute letter that outlines the specific errors or inaccuracies on the credit report and provides evidence to support the dispute. Once the credit bureaus receive the dispute letter, they are required to investigate the issue and either correct or remove the disputed information. If the dispute is resolved in the person's favor, the corrected information will appear on their credit report and can positively impact their credit score. In addition to addressing errors, credit repair may also involve paying off outstanding debts and reducing credit utilization. Outstanding debts can negatively impact a person's credit score, so it is important to prioritize paying them off. Similarly, high credit utilization, the amount of credit used relative to the amount available, can also lower a person's credit score, so reducing it by paying off debts or requesting an increase in the credit limit can be helpful. Credit repair may also involve correcting payment history. Late or missed payments can have a significant impact on a person's credit score, so making all payments on time can help improve their credit standing. It is important to note that credit repair is not a quick process and may take several months to a year to see significant results. In addition, some credit repair companies may offer services that are not only unethical, but also illegal, such as removing negative information that is accurate. Therefore, it is important to be cautious and do research before using the services of a credit repair company. In conclusion, credit repair is the process of fixing errors or improving a person's credit score. It involves obtaining a copy of one's credit report, disputing errors, paying off debts, reducing credit utilization, and correcting payment history. While credit repair can be a helpful tool for improving one's credit standing, it is important to be cautious and do research before using the services of a credit repair company.